Welcome to a mindful moment with Anastasiya. You're making a choice in joining me today to bring a sense of restoration into your body. As the holidays hustle is getting closer, allowing yourself a moment to pause is important for you. I'm inviting you to close your eyes or soften your gaze. Sitting in a comfortable position with your feet on the floor, straightening your spine, resting your hands, however it feels more supportive for you. Taking a moment to settle in your body, softening your face, your neck, shoulders, and turning your attention to your breath. Breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your mouth. Feeling your body breathing in rest and letting go of any tension. This is your moment of being, allowing no judgment here, simply being, feeling quiet within. Now shifting your attention to the sense of smell. Noticing any sense in your environment. What thoughts are they bringing to your mind? What sensations are you noticing in your body? Maybe it's your favorite perfume, or lotion, or burning candle. Just noticing with no judgment. Taking your time and enjoying the smell. Inhaling, I am. Exhaling, here. I am. Here. And with the next breath, thanking yourself for showing up. And maybe placing your hands on your chest or your belly for support. And becoming more aware of physical sensations in your body. And whenever you're ready, taking this present moment of awareness with you and stretching your neck, wiggling your feet, your hands, and opening your eyes to familiarize yourself to the environment around you. thank you for joining me for this mindfulness practice today.